Okay, so I'd say this is the result of FedEx delivering the box. Got it in there. Got a big dent up here. Slide down. Come down here. There's a dent here. A dent here. There's a dent here. A dent here. A dent there. So, thanks FedEx. Been working my butt off on my shack. Was really excited to get this refrigerator in here. My grandkids were really excited because they were going to have popsicles in the snap shack. And now, thanks to a delivery driver doing a cartwheel, I mean, do y'all not have one of these dollies right here? I mean, they're not that expensive. No reason the guy should have been carrying it on his back with the straps and then just dropping it. Should be expected that that's going to happen. So, thanks a lot, FedEx. Now I get to take my time to take this back. I get to take it to Walmart. Came from Mississippi, shipped from Mississippi. I'm in southern Indiana. I've got to take it to my local Walmart to take it back to get a refund. Thanks a lot, FedEx. Appreciate it. You made the whole delivery to home an excellent choice. I'll be thinking about using FedEx next time. See you guys.